When we first got the car, gang, it was gorgeous and we tuned it right off bat. No waiting around. We had an injector problem at first, but we got that cleared up really quick. Went with a DME stage 3 and that tune turned out to be so powerful, guys. I mean, this car is a literal rocket ship. You know, this is one of the fastest cars in the group, and this is some of the footage after the tune was done. After we got the tune all straightened out and know that the car made so much power, we got real tired of the car with the white paint. I mean, it looks good for a stock car, but not for an 800 crank horsepower car, guys. So what we did was we went right over to Wraps for Less and bought a nice carbon fiber kit. Here you see it, everything from rear diffuser, front splitter, grills, exhaust tips. I mean, the whole thing, gang. You know, if we were gonna make this car look like 800 horsepower, we had to change the color and we had to go carbon fiber. Anything else would be so very uncivilized on this car. We found the carbon fiber kit for such a great price. I mean, you couldn't help but buy the entire kit. Usually the rear diffuser runs about $1,500 for a 3-piece carbon fiber kit. So we were glad that we found it at such a great price. I think everything together ran about $3,000, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I can't remember totally, but everything came out so perfectly, guys. And I can't wait till you guys see exactly what this car looks like with this full carbon fiber armor set on it. And here's what the car looked like before it was dropped off to Wraps for Less. You know, we just did a quick little run around, and I did an in progress shoot also right here, so you guys can get a little update on what it looked like with the door jambs and the front fenders done. But that's gonna be enough lollygagging and messing around. Here's the official unveiling of the M6.
Shut up.
All right, guys, you can't tell me that this car isn't drop dead gorgeous. Oh my, look at the way the sun just opens up that paint. Well, that wrap looks like paint. That is drop dead gorgeous. Carbon fiber is literally everywhere on this car, guys.
That's good.
Beautiful. Custom center caps, custom emblems, carbon fiber literally everywhere on this car, guys. Stage 3 DME tune. I mean, this is a night and day difference, guys, compared to the car that you seen when I first introduced this car to the channel. This is a night and day difference. This car is gorgeous, guys. Drop dead gorgeous from every angle. Every angle. I really hope you guys enjoyed the reveal of the M6, guys. Stay tuned because we have a lot more coming for this car. SSP clutch, SSP transmission cooler, guys, and we also have methanol injection coming for this car. This car is going to be a 800 to 850 wheel horsepower animal. So just stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and a big shout out to Raps for Less Orlando. Big shout out to those guys. And Auto Lust out.